Let's talk about money. Not the motivational poster version. Not the just hustle harder version. The version you experience every single paycheck. When money enters your account and then quietly disappears. Imagine this. You grind through a long month at a low-pay job. You finally get paid. Your employer sends you $2,000, but your bank account only shows $1,450. No explanation, no apology, just gone. Welcome to the real financial system, where money moves whether you understand it or not. Today, I'm breaking down the invisible rules of money that quietly control your life. Taxes. The first cut before you even touch your money, it's already been divided. Federal tax, state tax. Social Security, Medicare. This isn't theft. It's the entry fee to modern society. Taxes fund roads, schools, emergency services. And yes, very expensive decisions happening far away from you. There are different ways the government collects. Income tax hits what you earn, sales tax hits what you spend. Capital gains tax hits money your money made without you working. Social Security is forced retirement savings. Medicare is pooled health insurance for the elderly and sick. The strange part? The government already knows what you owe, but still makes you calculate it yourself. Get it right, you're fine. Get it wrong, penalties appear. Annoying? Yes. Necessary? Mostly. Countries with higher taxes often rank higher in quality of life. Banks. Where your money really goes. You deposit money into a bank. You imagine it sitting safely in a vault. It isn't. Banks don't store money, they circulate it. When you deposit $1,000, the bank keeps a fraction and loans the rest to someone else. This is called fractional reserve banking. It works because not everyone withdraws at once, until they do. That's what happened in financial crises like 2008. Confidence collapsed, and the system cracked. Banks profit by lending your money at higher rates. Then what they pay you, you supply the money. Borrowers create demand. Banks skim the difference. They offer convenience, security, and insurance. In the US, deposits are insured up to $250,000. Safe? Mostly. Simple? Not really. Interest money's favorite trick. Interest is rent for using money. Borrow $1,000. Pay back $1,300. That's interest. There are two types: simple interest, predictable, flat. Compound interest, exponential and ruthless. Compound interest works against you in debt and for you in investing. That $10 mistake on a credit card? Give it time, it multiplies. But invest consistently, time becomes your best employee. Interest doesn't care about effort, it only cares about time. Inflation, the quiet thief. Inflation isn't dramatic. It doesn't announce itself. It slowly reduces what your money can buy. Same dollar, less value. Why does it happen? Too much money chasing limited goods, supply chain disruptions, rising production costs. Psychological expectations. When inflation rises too fast, governments raise interest rates to slow spending. Less borrowing, less buying. Cooling the economy. Controlled inflation is normal. Uncontrolled inflation destroys savings. Recessions, the reset button. A recession is when economic activity shrinks for months. Jobs disappear, markets fall, spending freezes. Recessions come from high interest rates, global shocks, economic cycles. They're painful, but temporary. Think of them as forced system resets. Not fun, but part of the cycle. Credit scores. Trust in numbers. A credit score is a numerical reputation. It answers one question: can we trust this person with money? Ranges from 300 to 850. Not about wealth. About reliability. Factors include payment history, credit usage, account age, credit variety, recent applications. You can be debt-free and still score poorly if you have no history. The system isn't fair, but it is predictable. Learn the rules and you can play it. Money, a shared illusion. Money isn't real, it's agreed upon. A dollar works because we believe it does. Same reason Bitcoin has value. Same reason gold matters. Governments print money. Central banks regulate supply. People exchange it for value. Too much money? Inflation. Too little money? Stagnation. Currency only works if trust survives. Investing. Putting money to work. Investing protects your future. It's how money beats inflation. You can invest in stocks, bonds, funds, real estate. It's not about luck. It's about time, diversification, consistency. The biggest risk isn't losing money, it's never investing at all. Value. Why some people get paid more money follows value, not effort, not hours. Value is what others are willing to pay for. Rare skills equals higher value scalable products equals massive value perception matters more than reality. That's why brands, professionals, and creators earn differently. Learn to create value and money follows. Time, the real multiplier. Time is the most powerful asset. Everyone starts with some. No one gets unlimited. Most people trade time for money. Wealthy people use time to multiply money. In investing, time compounds effort. Small amounts plus long time equals massive outcomes. Wealth isn't built fast, it's built patiently. Final thought, 12:30 to 13 o'clock. Money isn't complicated. It's just invisible. Once you understand the rules, you stop being controlled by them. You don't need to beat the system. You just need to understand it.